Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? I wish you all are fine and well, safe at your homes. So, welcome back again on my YouTube channel, Street Fashion. Once again, I collected for you people the amazing, stunning, and beautiful collection. All our mannequin design, beautiful and latest mannequin Christmas tree collection. So, you guys can easily wear it and decorate it on your Christmas, on this Christmas, and make your day special, beautiful, and stunning. Hopefully, you guys will love this collection. So, I want to request you peoples, please do watch this video till the end for the most latest and beautiful collection. You guys will only find the latest trending and beautiful collection on my channel, and hopefully you guys will love my all videos and collection which I collected for you peoples. I just make that video which you guys love to watch. So hopefully just like my all collections and video, this video will also helpful for you peoples. All type of mannequin Christmas tree collection and designs you guys will find in this whole video. So watch this video till the end. Every type of colors with beautiful decoration ideas you guys will found, so you guys can easily make it and get designs from my videos and make it on your homes, and it will definitely looks amazing, stunning, and beautiful, as you guys can see on our latest amazing and beautiful collection. And for the Christmas, this is the perfect ideas. I just make video on it so you guys can get designs and ideas. So hopefully you guys will love my this video as well, just like my previous videos. And if you are new on my channel and watching the video first time, so I want to request you people, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon too. By clicking the bell icon, which is really important, you guys will get the notification of all my latest videos updates, will never miss any video. New latest amazing video collection you guys can only watch only on my channel. Every type of Christmas designs, decoration ideas, mannequin Christmas tree designs, different amazing videos, and the Christmas cakes decoration ideas, all about Christmas decoration, the home decoration, the kitchen, the bedroom, the living room, last minute Christmas decoration ideas, every type of Christmas cakes and Christmas crafting ideas too, and Christmas outfits as well. You guys can only find on my channel, which will be latest, amazing, and trending too. And definitely it will look amazing on this Christmas, and you guys can make your Christmas special with this type of beautiful collection. So I really hope so you guys will love my videos and you guys can get different type of amazing beautiful ideas from my videos. So hopefully you guys will love my beautiful collection just like my previous videos. So I want to request you people, please click the subscribe button. It will be really helpful for me to grow my channel, and I want your feedback and your positive feedback, which will be really helpful for me actually, and motivate me to bring more amazing, beautiful collection for you people. So, do you like my videos and collection? Please tell me in comment section, and like my video, share it too with your friends, your family, your loved ones who love to watch this type of beautiful collection on my channel, and who like mannequin Christmas tree decoration ideas, who wants, you can share my videos with them so everyone can get designs and ideas from my videos. As you are watching and getting designs from my videos, everyone can get designs and ideas, and celebrate their Christmas special stunning. And what you guys want to watch on my next upcoming videos. If you have any suggestions, any ideas for me, you can also free to share with me in the comments. So I will definitely read your comments and will bring that collection for you people what you guys want to watch. Hopefully you guys will love my all collection and ideas. So I want to request you people, if you guys will watch my previous videos, and you guys will watch my upcoming videos, you guys will get different type of amazing beautiful ideas too. Every type of outfit ideas, the shoes collections, the boots collection, collections and leather stuff. Every type of leather stuff is available, which is latest, amazing, and beautiful too, like the leather pants, leather skirts, and the leather handbags, leather jackets, only about the girly outfits you guys will find on my videos, and the leather boots, high heels boots, and flat boots, and leather shoes. Every type of leather stuff is available on my videos. So I want to request you people, you can watch my all videos if you guys want this type of stuff, so you can watch on my videos. So really helpful for you to get designs and ideas, what you guys have to wear, how you guys have to wear. So every type of stuff is available on my channel, and the different amazing Christmas decoration ideas, all about Christmas decoration, the latest amazing and beautiful collection you guys will find. So you guys will never find this type of beautiful collection on another channel. So hopefully you guys will love my videos and collection, the ideas of decoration. So which mannequin Christmas tree idea you guys will like in this video, you can share, and I will definitely read your comments, and hopefully you guys will love the all collection. All are unique and latest designs, but it depends on your choice which you like the most. Hopefully you guys will love the all collection and ideas. Every type of color and designs is available, which you guys like the most. You can easily choose that one. Hopefully you guys will love the ideas and stuff too, and you can easily make it in your homes, and hopefully you guys will love the collection. So dear viewers, I request you again and again, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. It will be really helpful for me to grow my channel, and if you guys will click the bell icon, you will never have to search my channel and video. You just get the notification and you can easily watch my all videos. Hopefully you guys will love the collection and ideas of decoration which I bring for you people. I just make the latest amazing videos and ideas of decoration for you people, so you guys can watch, get designs and ideas, and make your Christmas tree, the mannequin Christmas tree, beautiful, amazing, and stunning. You guys can get the latest amazing beautiful collection from my videos. I just make that collection, so hopefully you guys will love it and get the designs and ideas. Hopefully if you guys will get designs and ideas, you can share with me. It will be really helpful for me and motivate me to actually. So hopefully you guys will love it. As you guys can see, the multicolor decoration is available, which looks so amazing, and it will give this so unique and amazing beautiful look to the mannequin Christmas tree. And you guys never found this type of collection anywhere else, and every type of Christmas decoration you guys can easily find. So you guys will never have to search any other channel or video. You can watch all my videos and get the designs and ideas of decoration, and the outfit ideas too. Every type of girly stuff, the decoration stuff is available, and hopefully you guys will love the ideas, and different type of stuff is available, which is really amazing and beautiful too actually. The trending and beautiful collection with multicolor ideas, with flower decoration ideas, and the latest and amazing too. Hopefully you guys will love the collection and ideas too. So hopefully you guys will love this video too, just like my previous videos. So watch the video till the end, and you give me a positive feedback must, so which is really important for me. And I will be back again with my another amazing collection. I want to request you people, just like you are watching this video collection, you should have to watch my upcoming videos too, so you guys will get this type of beautiful collection and ideas more and more from my channel. So watch my all videos, and hopefully just like my this video, I will bring more amazing beautiful collection for you guys from in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned and I will be back again.